These are new white sheer curtains. We put them in our living room on the street-facing side because we wanted privacy, but still wanted the daylight to come through. One nice thing about these is there's no real front or back. The stitching looks finished on both sides, so you can flip them either way. Then they're rod pocket only with a pocket at the top and the bottom. So that means you can hang them clean and simple or flip them so you get like a little extra fabric above the rod for a decorative finish. We went with the decorative top, and I think it gives the window a nicer look. As you'd expect, they come with wrinkles. We just used a handheld steamer to get them out, and while it took a little time, it's definitely worth it. They look way better once the wrinkles are out. The only drawback for us is that they don't have back tabs to hang them from, so this rod pocket doesn't really match the way we wanted to hang them alongside of our other curtains on this double rod system. It's not a huge issue, but something to keep in mind. What we like most is how they do exactly what we wanted. Give privacy, but still let in plenty of natural light. They do a really good job of brightening up the room, but softening the look at the same time. Then we tested bunching them up versus pulling them straight across, and honestly, the clean stretched across look with the extra fabric just tucked behind these main curtains worked best for us. Bottom line, these are rod pocket only, and you'll need to plan on steaming them once they're up. But once that's done, they're simple, good-looking curtains that give privacy while still letting the light in.